In today's video, we are going to cover how to build a content calendar in Airtable. Airtable gives you one place to track upcoming content, publication dates, status, and the details that keep a publishing schedule moving. The goal here is to set up a base that holds each content item as a record, then display those records on a calendar using the Publish Date field. Start by opening Airtable. From there, create a new base if you want a fresh calendar, or open an existing base if you already have a workspace where this content plan belongs. Either option works, as long as you are in the base where you want the calendar to live. Once the base is open, you are ready to define the fields that will organize your content. Add the fields you need for the calendar. A useful starting structure includes content title, publish date, status, content type, author, and platform. These fields give each record a clear set of details so you can see what the content is, when it is meant to go live, where it belongs, and who is responsible for it. Make sure the publish date field is set up as a date field, because that is the field Airtable will use when you switch to a calendar view. After the fields are in place, begin entering your content. Add one record for each piece of content you plan to publish. For every record, fill in the related information across the fields you created. That means adding the title, selecting the publish date, choosing the current status, noting the content type, assigning the author, and specifying the platform. As you continue, each row becomes one schedule item in your calendar with the details attached directly to it. Once you have content in the table, create the calendar view. In the View sidebar, click Create New, then choose Calendar. Airtable will ask which date field should drive the calendar, so select Publish Date. This step connects your records to calendar dates and turns the table into a schedule you can review visually. If the wrong date field is selected here, the calendar will not reflect your intended publishing plan. So make sure Publish Date is the field in use. With the calendar view created, review your content by date and keep it updated as plans change. You can move publish dates, adjust status values, and add new records whenever more content needs to be scheduled. This view gives you a clear way to monitor what is coming up and what still needs attention, while keeping the supporting details inside each record. Your Airtable base now includes a content calendar organized by publish date and ready for ongoing updates.